Everyone speaks talking about YouTube Shorts, how to grow and how it efficiently, but that time I don't consider that. But now I realize my mistake. YouTube Shorts are one of the amazing thing to make money from online. I recently tested something new with YouTube Shorts and I got super result and I made $7 unlimitedly. You need to work at least 1 hour a day to start to make money from online. So in this video I'll share my experience, how do you do what I am doing, and this step by step guide will help you to make your first passive income. So stay tuned. Hey, this is Learning Q&A. Here you can find a way to build your online business and I am teaching you how to start making money online. After watching this video, if you think this video is valuable for your time, just hit the like and add your opinion in the comment box below. So guys, you can use this method to make money in two different ways. One is from a YouTube advertisement and the other is affiliate marketing. And recently YouTube announced a 100 million fund to reward top YouTube short creators. So first you need to know what YouTube shorts are and how they work. YouTube shorts are basically the YouTube version of TikTok. You can upload a video that is 1 second to 1 minute long. It get a big number of views and you make a decent amount of money. The main thing is upload your video with the #shorts hashtag. I just saw some shorts. Go to your YouTube app and open. Here you see a shorts logo. Click that. Look this video. Get, and in this video got hundreds of like and the other video got 200,000 like. So now this is really because YouTube shorts are getting a decent number of views without doing SEO. I separate this video into 3 different parts, guys. The first step is choosing an affiliate product. Go to your affiliate network like ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24. But now I use Digistore24, so I open my screen. And if you don't know how to pick your right product, how to join affiliate network, how to promote it, and you don't have any knowledge about affiliate marketing, just go to my channel. I already published some affiliate marketing videos and watch them. I already selected a product, Instagram Millionaire Guide. I make $7 with the help of YouTube Shorts. You need to choose a product which is actually people want and what is currently trending. If you don't know which is currently trending, use Google Trend to find what is currently trending on the internet with the help of Google Trend to find what is trending in your country also. Once you select your product, check the product landing page and check the rating. The Instagram Million Guide got over 4.0 rating and I open the landing page of this product, guys. This is the landing page of what I promote, which is pretty good and neat. Go back and copy your affiliate link. I just copied it to my clipboard. Now let us move to the second step. The second step is to create YouTube Shorts video. You don't need to record a video or voice recording. I use free stock footage to create shorts. Go to Pixel website. Here you can find tons of free stock photos or videos. Now I search for video about Instagram growth. Look at this page where a bunch of videos are available. Here I choose 2 to 3 video for my shorts. Just wait, guys. After getting your footage, you need to edit that video with adding text like this. I promote Instagram growing guide, so I add a related text, guys. Now I finish my work. After finishing your video editing, let time to move on step 3. The step 3 is upload your video on YouTube. Write your title, description with SEO friendly and add a #shorts hashtag in your title. In my last video, I will teach how to do SEO for YouTube. Go and watch it. Now I don't teach how to upload YouTube Shorts because you know that how to upload a video on YouTube. Now if I finish this video, guys, just try this method. If you get a result, add your thought in the comment box below. I will meet you soon with another valuable content.